All right, here we are again in the AI Copy Lab. I'm Andy O'Brien. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. If you are subscribing, thank you. It's great to have you along. All right, so in this video, we're going to overcome objections, which is a huge path to making the sale because there are naturally powerful objections that people have in their own minds before they go and take that leap to purchase something. And it could be something for $1, it could be something for $1,000. It doesn't matter. There are going to be objections to getting that credit card out and typing in those numbers. All right. So ChatGPT can help us with this. And let's write an email. And I'm going to create another fictional product in this prompt. Okay. And this is all we really need to do. It's very basic. What I'm saying is I want to overcome any possible purchase objections that someone might have about and here's my program I came up with, a 6-week coaching program called the Ultimate Confidence Solution. Okay, that's just something I dreamed up. Please write me an email that addresses 5 traditional overcome objection scenarios. And I put overcoming objection in quotes there, and gives the reader a comfort level about moving forward. So all you have to do for your product or service is put in your name of the product right here, okay, and describe it, even briefly, all right, and then ask it to write the email in this particular prompt in with these words, all right, and it will give you the following. It's already generated it for us, and basically it addresses each objection that a customer might have, a prospect, someone that's reading the email and deciding what they want to do. Okay. Cost, that's always number one, right? A lot of times. Time commitment. And basically, what it's doing here when it writes this email is it shows some empathy for each objection. So it doesn't just overcome the objection, it shows empathy. It's natural to hesitate, right? With the hustle and bustle of modern life, committing might seem daunting. All right. So effectiveness, there's another one. Personal relevance. You might be thinking, is this really for me? Okay. That's the empathy. And then it gives an overcoming statement for each one of these. All right. And then online format. Some people worry about the impersonal nature of online courses. However, all right, so it turns it around and it talks you into it. It overcomes each objection. But what I want to do here, as with the AI Copy Lab, what we do in here is we restate things. All right, so here's what it wrote. I put it in a Google Doc. All right, and I'm going to play around with it here. All right, first of all, I hope this email finds you well. We don't want to say that. All right. I mean, obviously, you hope that it finds them well. We don't need to say that. Okay. So we're going to take that right out. And it introduces the program. But then it says, but I understand you might have some reservations about enrolling. Okay. And that's fine. And I want to tackle. How about instead of address, I want to tackle. A little more catchy. Some of the most common concerns that often surface, we can take that right out. It's redundant. If it's one of the most common concerns, we don't have to say that it often surfaces because we've already said it. So we can take that right out. We're shortening. We're getting a little more succinct here, all right? And we're going to bold some stuff, okay? We're going to have some of these in statements in bold, like cost, time commitment. All right. So we're emphasizing some of this stuff, but at the same time, we don't want to say things like plus. All right. How about also? All right. Just some things that you can tweak. All right. How about instead of wondering if the program will work for you, how about wondering if this will work for you? And rest assured, I don't think we need to necessarily say rest assured. Or you could always say, let me put your mind at ease. All right. So if you'd rather say something like me put your mind at ease instead of rest assured, you have just put your own stamp on this, your own personality. All right. So just some basic tweaks. Uh, some people and maybe put some folks, just paraphrase this thing, make it your own. All right. Okay. So this is what you do. We're rewriting this thing, but not with whole. I mean, we're not starting with whole cloth here. We're not starting all over again. We're just tweaking it because really the overall theme of all this is intact and we want to keep it intact. So basically, that's it. That's how to overcome objections with ChatGPT as your guide, as your muse, if you will. If and really, I think you're going to make some more sales by doing it this way. So that's it for the AI Copy Lab this time around. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.